In this video, I'm going to show you how to get real estate leads using Google Ads. This platform is a powerful tool for reaching potential clients and boosting your real estate business through targeted online advertising. By using Google Ads effectively, you can connect with people who are actively searching for properties, making it easier to generate high quality leads. To get started, open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. If you're new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Then, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one quickly, and Google will guide you through the setup process. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Google Ads homepage. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can create a new campaign. Click Create Campaign to get started. Next, choose your campaign goal. Since our objective is to generate real estate leads, select Sales. This goal focuses on driving conversions and leads, which is exactly what you need to grow your client base. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now it's time to choose your campaign type. For real estate, the Performance Max option is ideal. Performance Max campaigns let you access all of Google's inventory from a single campaign, including YouTube, Display, Search, Discover, and Gmail. This approach helps you maximize reach and performance based on your conversion goals, which is perfect for reaching potential property buyers or renters. Once you select Performance Max, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your campaign. Define your target audience carefully, set your budget, and create compelling ad content. Focus on clear, engaging images and text that highlight the unique value of your real estate services. Make your ads relevant and persuasive to attract people who are ready to take action. Before publishing, review all your settings. Double-check your audience targeting, budget, and ad content to ensure they align with your objectives. Once you're satisfied, click Publish. Google Ads will start running your ads according to the parameters you set, and you can monitor performance from your dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a Google Ads campaign designed to generate real estate leads. Keep an eye on your performance reports to see what's working and what needs adjustment. Continuously optimizing your campaigns will help you attract more clients and grow your business effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve great success in your real estate endeavors.